Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, structures have been negatively impacted by rising interest rate environment over the last several years. It's been a tough time to hold REITs, but now it may be time to look at these high-yielding instruments as interest rates begin to decline. A small cap REIT that is worth a good look is Global Net Lease Inc. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol GNL. It's a REIT focused on commercial properties. The company acquires commercial properties, then it leases them back to the occupants. These properties are situated in the US as well as in the Western and Northern Europe. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Global Net Lease currently owns approximately 1,277 properties, covering roughly 67 million square feet. Now, an impressive 93% of the properties are leased, with a weighted average remaining lease term of 6.5 years. Now, this translates into steady cash flow for years to come. Now, for investors, the risks are the recent streak of losses and significant debt obligations that will need to be addressed by management. In the meantime, income investors can be patient. Global Net Lease stock yields 12.4% and has paid dividends in 10 consecutive years. Now, as of this recording, GNL stock is down, I think, 1% in 2024, but it has rallied 30% over the last 3 months and is trading close to $8.90 per share. Now, Global Net Lease stock is well below its 52-week high of $11.45 per share that it hit back in September 23. And $30.21 per share in June 15. So the upside could be pretty massive.
What are financials looking like here?
Quite good, actually. Global Net Lease grew its revenues by 70.2% from 2019 to a record $518.6 million in 2023. That's up actually also an impressive 36.6% over 2022. Now, going back to 2014, revenue have grown in 9 of the last 10 years. As we move forward, the revenue outlook is extremely optimistic as well. Analysts estimate that Global Net Lease will grow revenues by a whopping 57% to $808.5 million in 2024, followed by a slight decline to $794.9 million in 2025. So far, the REIT appears set to reach close to the consensus revenue estimates for 2024. The first half of 2024 saw revenue of $409.3 million, and that's up 115.2%. Versus the same 6 months in 2023.
And how are the earnings looking here? Are they good?
Well, a concern for investors is the recent inconsistencies in profitability, with the company reporting losses in 4 straight years. This includes a loss of $1.71 per share in 2023, and that's the biggest drop since 2014, and this will need to be again addressed by management. But there is an encouraging outlook. Analysts expect Global Net Lease to narrow its loss to 12 cents per diluted share in 2024. This will be followed by a 9-cent per share loss in 2025. Now, the lot estimates don't look positive at this time, as Global Net Lease reported a loss of 35 cents per diluted share in the first half of 2024. While this suggests a shortfall, it also represents a 68.8% improvement over the same period in 2023.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And John, how does it all impact the company's dividend?
Its ability to deliver consistent positive free cash flow since 2015 has been a big benefit. Free cash flow supports Global Net Lease's ability to pay dividends and deal with its debt. Global Net Lease currently pays a quarterly dividend of 27.5 cents per share, or $1.10 per share on an annualized basis. And that works out current levels to a forward yield of 12.46%. This number is in line with the 5-year average yield to 12.6%. Now, the negative has been the declining dividends since 2020. Prior to this, the REIT raised its dividends between 2015 and 2019. Now, the dividend coverage ratio of 0.7 times is on the weak side too, so there could be another dividend cut. Now, we generally like to see higher dividend yields over the course of time, but the strong expected increase in revenue and narrowing losses could lead actually to higher dividends down the road as well.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Global Net Lease stock is not the typical dividend stock you would seek for your portfolio given the dividend cuts. But if things play out as hoped, higher dividends could be there. For patient, contrarian income investors, Global Net Lease stock provides a strong risk-reward opportunity for major price appreciation while stockholders collect dividends. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.